Hello creative friends! Today we will try to create a lantern from cheap products that we find around the house or something similar for this project, and we need a straw, glue, a mini planting set or add mini box, okay, because we need this. Then black acrylic color, acetate sheet, okay, and LED lights. I hope your project succeeds, and if you liked my tutorial, leave a like, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to see new tutorials with creative ideas. See you soon. Bye bye. And it is like that. At the end I glue it with the hot glue for better resistance, but if you don't have something like that, you can also glue it. As you can see, I wanted to leave a little ice texture, see, to look more real, okay. Okay, and now we combine all the elements of the lantern. It was so simple and fast. Just like that. Kisses and hugs. Bye bye.